I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the new numbers. Now make Excel recognize them. Convert the range to a table with Ctrl+T so additions auto-expand, then click the existing chart to reveal its data highlights. Once selected, inspect the chart design ribbon and the highlighted source range. This tells you what the chart uses. If headers shifted, update them now so axis labels remain correct. Doing this prevents broken series when you paste or import more rows. Next, open Select Data and focus on the actual series formulas. You can drag the blue highlight handles to expand ranges or type a new range directly to include added rows. If categories are misaligned, use switch row/column to change orientation and add series for new metrics where necessary. Make sure axis scales match the data. Change minimum/maximum or use a log scale if values vary widely. Once done, preview chart update. Finish by polishing titles, legends, and data labels so the chart communicates clearly. Change number formats or axis units to match your audience. Apply consistent color and marker styles, and lock axis limits if you don't want auto-scaling. If the chart still won't update, make sure the source is a table or that named ranges point to the correct sheet and spill range. If a series reads #ref, reassign its range in Select Data. That typically fixes broken links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.